Yeah, hello friends. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. Yeah, today I want to show you something very special. How you can set your worship voice on PSR E363. PSR E363. Yeah, that is the keyboard I'm going to teach you today. So we have different kind of worship pattern. I'm going to teach you how you can set, like we have some kind of Igbotic system of worship, like Igbotic worship, and we have Western, how to play Western and all these Igbotic system of worship. I know I have so many Igbotic friends here on my YouTube channel because they do chat me on WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you how you can set your worship voice, a solemn worship voice. So first of all, you go to 4949, yeah, 497. You can see it, 497, which is your goblins. The goblins. You can hear the sound. This is the sound I use for if I want to play a Igbotic worship or this solemn Igbotic worship. This is the sound I use. Goblin. So you increase the volume to 127. So I'm going to add a dual voice. I'm going to add a dual voice to the sound. Goblins. I'm going to add the strings. So you search for your strings. I'm going to use SYN strings on my dual. So I'm going to set it to, like, let me see, 70 on the dual. You can hear it, you can hear the sound, you can listen to the sound. If the dual is not okay for you, you can increase it to like 100. So let me just sing a song to it so you can know how it sounds. Let me just sing the song to this. So using a key G. Ihe banyere mo onemetu chinobi. Ihe banyere mo onemetu chinobi. Oke moji makamo weme asisi mereme. Oke miriji makamo weme asisi mereme. Una ugo ije love mo. 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 Munachi. So there is a kind of solemn song. You can use this voice, goblins, on a Igbotic pattern, or you can sing use it any kind of worship. There's Yoruba music you can use it for. There are so many Igbo music you can use these goblins for. So let me show you the other voice I'm using. I want to play Western songs. So I'm using my normal grand piano first. It's a grand piano. So you set your master voice to 127. Then I'm using a dual. I'm using a dual voice. I'm using that same strings, SYN strings. So you increase it to like 100 on the dual, or you leave it to 80. So on this one, if you are not using sustain pedal, you have to set your sustain on. Look at the sustain. I'm going to on it. But if you are using a sustain pedal, you have to off it. But if you are not using a sustain pedal, right now I'm not using a sustain pedal, so I'm going to set it on. You can see how it sounds. If the dual voice is too loud, depending on your mixer, you can still reduce or increase. So let me just set my dual at 50. You can see the voice is the voice. So let me just sing a Yoruba song to it. Ọlọ́run tó dá wa, òpin ìgbà mi, ẹni mi mo fi ọpẹ́ mi fún. Ọlọ́run tó dá wa, òpin ìgbà mi, ẹni mi mo fi ọpẹ́ mi fún. So this is the worship voice I use. This is the worship voice I use. If I want to play any kind of worship, whether Ibotic or I can still use this voice to play Ibotic system of worship. Let me just sing this. Iye banyere mo, oneme tuti mobi. Iye banyere mo, oke mwoji makabo eme asise mereme oke mriji makamo eme asise mereme una ugo ije lovumo una ugo ije lovumo una ugo ije lovumo. So if I'm using the first voice I showed you is gold blinks and SYN strings, while the second voice is grand piano. We have so many type of worship. So on my next video, I'm going to show you how you can use your saxophone voice and your strings on your left, while you can solo with your saxophone and also play your strings on your left. You can also use that for worship. So I'm going to show you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like and share. Also click on the notification bell. Also put it on so you can be the first person to get my video once I post it. So thanks for watching. Keep loving Jeromekeys music. God bless you.